In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can help other people and make $500 plus per day possibility with this. And it has to do with people that are in lockdown because of this virus pandemic that's going on right now. I'm going to show you how you can help them and make some money for yourself too as well. Alright, and I'm going to flip over to my other monitor and get started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video here. As I told you, I'm going to show you how you can help other people that are in lockdown because of this virus pandemic that's going on here and make some pretty tidy money for yourself as well. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see on your screen there right now. And if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel, make sure that you reach down there and hit that subscribe button that you see right there above my head. And don't forget to click the notification bell that shows up there beside it so you get notified when I upload new videos. Okay. Also, I'm all the time bringing out new videos pretty regularly here because help you bring financial and time freedom into your life. And so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you get notified. Alright, let's go ahead and get started in on today's video here. Excited to show this to you. We're going to come over here on our Opera browser here and as you see, I've come to Google Trends here. Google Trends is a site that you can do searches on that'll show you what's hot and what's trending right now in the world in terms of products and so on and so forth. At the outset here, I want to tell you that this can be done for free, all for free, and this affiliate marketing can be done worldwide as well. I've come over here to Google Trends. If you noticed here in the search box up here, I typed in N95 masks here. These are the masks that people can get and wear and help protect them from getting the coronavirus, okay? And there's a shortage of them in the world right now because people are looking for them and they're very hard to find. But they won't be hard to find with what I'm going to show you today. And this is how you're going to be able to help people and make a tidy sum of money for yourself. More importantly, though, we'll be helping other people. Alrighty? Alright, so I typed in N95 masks. I chose the worldwide search right here, as you see. And then I chose just the past 7 days alone. Look at this, guys. Look at how hot this product is. People all over the world are looking for this particular product. Alrighty, because there's a shortage of them. But there will be no shortage where you're concerned at today because I'm going to show you how you can help these people get this. So stick around. Also, you want to stick around for this whole video because I'm going to show you another way that you can help people later on after I show you this one. Alright, so make sure you don't leave. Stick around, keep watching this video. Alright, so you can see here that there's 17 regions right here it shows in the world. And these are the top 5 right here of people searching for the N95 virus masks. Okay? Alright, so then what I did was I come over here to Offer Vault. If you see this, come over here and you want to click on, you see it up here in the address bar, you see it says offervault.com. You want to come here and at Offer Vault, all I did was come to their search engine right here as you see, and I typed in N95 masks, and what that does is it brings up this list right here, and what you see here is child safe mask right here, and you can get $25 per sale. You see that? Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see that. $25 per sale. And if you click on this, it brings you over here to this page right here. And by the way, it's free to register on this site. You can register and get logged in. You can do a search for that. You can actually do a search without being logged in. I'm not logged in yet myself. I do have an account here though. And it brings you over here to this page and you see the offer details. Now it says here that its country is United States, okay? But I think if you're in another country and you do a search for this child safe mask, you're not only going to see US, but you're going to see many other countries listed out here on the side too. Alrighty, and you get $25 per sale. Now, who wouldn't want to buy one of these, right guys? Who wouldn't want to help their child stay safe from this coronavirus? So this is a very hot product right now, and these are probably selling like hotcakes, I would imagine, on this particular site right here, Offer Vault. All right, so what they would do is they would come, you can come here and you can see the sales page. If you click on this right here, this picture, it brings you over here to this page right here. And this is the sales page. And what they would do is they'd see this, and it tells a little bit about it and so on, the different masks and so on and so forth about it. And you can, what they do is they would click on Shop Now here, and it brings them over to this page here, and they got several different type of masks for children, right? You can click on any one of these you want, and it'll show you what is for sale here. And for example, if they click on one of these, it shows right here their most popular package is 6 masks at $10.50 each for a total of $62.99. It doesn't make any difference. Whatever package they buy here, you're going to make $25 per sale. And I would say that most people that see this are going to want that because they want to protect their children, right? It makes sense to me. So what you want to do is you want to come over here to Offer Vault. You can register here if you want. If not, doesn't matter. If you click on Run the Offer right here, it brings you over here to this site, Affiliate X right here, Affiliate X. Click on Get Started, and it loads up this page here, and you just sign up with them, fill out this form here. And by the way, don't forget this damn little CAPTCHA thing down here. There it is again, right? I hate those things. But anyways, and then get your signed up here, and you can get your affiliate link for these COVID masks right here for the child safe N95 mask for children, okay? Anyways, you get your link for that, and so on and so forth. Have your link for that. Now that you have your link and you have your product, how are you going to market this thing? Well, there's a couple of ways we're going to do this. Number one, you can, if you come over here to Twitter, I came over to my Twitter account here, and I clicked on Explore right here on the left. And then what I did was up here at the top in the search engine, I typed in, where do I get N95 mask set? And if you look right here and under the latest posts right here, this last post was posted on April the 19th, about 3 days ago. They're asking right here, there's still a shortage of N95 masks, and as you scroll down here, you can see, where do I get the 95 mask? Where do I get the N95 mask at right here? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And you keep scrolling down, and it just goes on and on and on. There's quite a few of these. Where do I get these masks at? And so on and so forth. All you would do at that point is just come here, and you could just click on comment right here, and you could put your comment in here, like, you can get the N95 masks right here. I have them right here, and then put your affiliate link right in there. You might want to take the affiliate link over to Bitly and shorten it up probably, and then put your Bitly link in there after you tell them that you have a supply of masks at this link right here, and then just click on reply and post that, and do that down through all of these. Also, if I click on top, it shows the ones from way back earlier in the month or in late last month that are also, where do I get these masks? You know, all the way down to, where do I get a box of N95 masks? So on and so forth. And you can reply to all of these and put your link, affiliate link, right in there in the comments. And then when people click on your link, you're going to make $25 per sale, and you can make quite a lot of money. And you can tell them to share that and tweet that, tell them to tweet it to their friends and to their family members and so on and so forth, thereby making your marketing even larger, your marketing area larger, and make even more money with it that way. And then the number 2 way that we're going to do this, now don't forget, stick around, I got another way to make money with this that's even going to compound on this coming up next year, so stick around here. So another way to do it is to come over here to Facebook, and you notice I went to groups here on Facebook. Log into your Facebook account and go to groups, and I typed in the search engine up here, as you see, N95 masks, and it brought up all of these groups. And all of them have to do with these N95 masks right here. People are looking for these masks. So all you would need to do would be to join each one of these groups. Join as many as you want. There's all kinds of them down through here, and they all have to do with the masks. And then what you would do is, when you get joined up, you would post a link in there, post a post on Facebook telling them that you have the N95 mask available at this link right here. And when they click and go over and they purchase those masks for their children, and I'm sure that they also have adult ones there as well. You know, you're going to make $25 per sale, and you're also helping these people to keep their children safe as well as themselves safe from this deadly virus that we're having right now. Okay, that's the first one. Now let me tell you about the other way to compound and even make more money with this. How about if we come back over here to Google Trends, and if I click in here and I type in what's another thing, guys, that people are looking for that there's a shortage of. Probably it was the first thing. All right, how about this? Toilet paper, right? So we do a search on toilet paper. Look at this, worldwide, just the past 7 days alone. Look at how many people are searching. Look at all the searches for toilet paper because the stores are short on toilet paper. People are looking for ways to get toilet paper. Look, as you see, the top 5 out of 18 regions total right here. You see where my mouse is. And the top one is the United States, is where most people are searching for this. All right, so how are we going to help them? Well, we're going to come back over here to our offer vault, and we'll come back to the main page, and we're going to type in toilet paper, right? And you see that brings up here. Now, this is a little bit different situation here. These are sweepstakes or drawings for free toilet paper that people can get involved in. All right, you see all these down here are sweepstakes, like right here, toilet paper sweepstakes, and you can make $2.50 per lead. On this one, they don't have to purchase. All they need to do is click your link, and you make $2.50, just like that, for each click on your link. All right, so what you would do is you'd get involved with this and get yourself a affiliate link with that, and then the same thing with the toilet paper. You're going to come over to Twitter and you can do the same thing. Where do I get toilet paper? Right? And you see, look at all this. I just did a search on this, guys. Look at here. Where do I get toilet paper? Because I've been to 3 stores and they're out. Where do I get toilet paper? You can get your link the same way. Comment on this. Just click on each one, comment, and say you can get in a toilet paper sweepstakes here to win free toilet paper. Click this link, and all it takes is a click of that link, and you make $2.50 per click. And alrighty, that's the one way. Again, how about Facebook? Come back here to Facebook and type in toilet paper. Alrighty. And you see here, there's all kinds of groups that you can join and put your affiliate link in there saying that you have access to a toilet paper sweepstakes where they can get toilet paper for free shipped to them. And they click that link, your affiliate link, you get paid $2.50 per pop. Now, then you could also come over to the marketplace right here, click on that, and if you click on any one of these right here, and then you click over here, like click on sell something, right? And then you click on item for sale, and then you put it in here. What are you selling? Tell them that you have access to toilet paper, a sweepstakes where they can win toilet paper for free. And then you put your price in there. What you really don't know, you can just leave that blank, select a category, and then you can put a photograph in here if you want. Put your affiliate link in there, and every time they click on that affiliate link, guys, you're going to make $2.50 per click. And you could, I imagine, you know, since this is such a hot thing, guys, you should be able to make well over $500 in a day's time if you market this and stick with it and keep marketing. And there's many other ways that you could market this too. How about like on classifieds? How about like on maybe Instagram? How about maybe LinkedIn? I mean, you just use your imagination. Come over and take action on this today. Get involved in this and make yourself some pretty tidy money, and be able to help other people out to stay safe from this deadly virus pandemic that's going on in our world today. Alrighty guys, well that's the method I wanted to show you today, how you can make some pretty good money with this. Reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you got the value and the power out of this particular method. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do on a fairly regular basis here. Also, if you want to find out how you can start your own online business, you want to click that link that you see there at the top of your video. It says mentorwithkev.com down there at the top of my description. Click on that and come through my funnel, sign up on my mailing list and see what's available to you at the back of that funnel, and get your own online business up and running within about 15 days with all the tools and all the help that you would need to do that. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye bye now.